So today I'm going to do a quick overview of my 2019 Fat Bob. It's a 114 cubic inch FXFBS. I've had it for going on 3 riding seasons now. It could be a little bit longer. I have about 17,000 miles on it. I've loved every minute of it. This thing is a blast. I had a Sportster 48 before. I kind of outgrew that. It's just kind of like a bigger version of that, so I love it. My very first mod to it was the Cobra El-Diablo 2-1 and my Powervision Dyno Jet tuner. I get a ton of comments asking what digital tachometer I'm using, and it's just my tuner. You can just set up whatever kind of screens you want on here. So I love it, but unfortunately if you get that, that is going to void your warranty, so keep that in mind. I have the AC/DC Fuelmoto air cleaner and also the Fuelmoto clear cover. Is basically just a S&S teardrop. I have the Crossthread Cycles pegs on there, the moto style pegs for the 2018 plus Softails. They have them for others as well. I have the shifter peg on this side. These really hold your feet in there, and I love them. So I just recently upgraded to the Saddleman Step Up. It's still in the break-in phase, and I'm loving every minute of it. I got the plain stitch on here, and then just the diamond stitching on the rear. Just recently I put these bags on here as a test, and I'm loving every minute of it. The cases are from Harbor Freight. They're a rip-off of Pelican. I'm going to put some Pelican top-loading ones on here eventually. I just got these ones as pretty much a test fit, but these ones are going to do the job for now. They got a ton of space in there. I just got a hat and some water, and water to clean my visor. I wear a full face. And most importantly, you can just throw a padlock on there and lock them up if you guys have any valuables in there. I'm going to go to my bars next. My bars are 6-inch Trask risers and Big Al Cycles Moto Style bars. I don't remember the exact model, but they're the 28-inch version. I have the quad lock for my phone. Performance machine grips, the Renthal, the replaceable ones. I love these. I had the rolling sand ones on my old bike, and these ones are pretty much the same thing. I just got these mini oval mirrors, and I love them. They're very minimal. I got also the Fuelmoto adjustable levers. These things are amazing, completely better than the stock ones. So every once in a while, for some reason, I'll get a triangle out in my LEDs. Sometimes it varies the color, and I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but I got them replaced once already. These are the Rogue Riders Industries, and I just noticed that one's out again. And let's see if this one, see, the other day this one, the triangle was on the orange on this side, but honestly I've had no issues with these other than that. One day it'll be there and one day it'll not be there. I don't know. But I have the Memphis Shades handguards. These are just staying for the winter. I live in Michigan, and they really help out on my hands. I also have the flush mount fuel cap that they just came out with for the 2020 parts catalog. I love that. I bought like a $20 one off of Amazon, and it was just pouring out gasoline. It was ridiculous, so I just bought that. I get a ton of comments about this fairing. This fairing is just a prototype at the moment. This is the Dougz Custom Spartan Mini, and the actual prototype is the 6-up windscreen. This windscreen is great to add onto your Spartan Mini. The Spartan Minis are already out. This windscreen, and there is a 3-up as well. I have a video up on there. It's a little bit smaller, and that one's dark tint version. This one's just clear. I'm gonna have the dark tint one when they are released. I did a video on this probably a couple weeks ago, and you guys, if you want to check it out, be my guest. I would appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in getting that for your Spartan Mini or even the 3-up, I did a video on that one too. I love them both. This one is definitely a long distance one that I would keep on there, and the 3-up is going to be like a city around town kind of thing if I take it off all the way or whatever. So on this side, basically all I've done is the spark plug wires and the wrinkle black derby cover. I was sick of looking at that chrome 114 cubic inch derby cover. It was not my taste. So going to the rear of the bike, as you can see, I have a tail light delete. Custom Dynamics sent me this LED tail light, and it has built-in turn signals. I love every minute of it. Here's what it looks like with a turn signal. It's very bright during the day, and the brake lights are just about as bright. Obviously it's going to be the same thing, but the whole thing's going to light up. I'll put the hazards on for you guys to see that. It's very bright, and people are definitely going to see you. I haven't had any issues with that yet, and it completely cleans up your back of the bike, in my opinion. It's very sleek looking even with the bags on there, but it looks even better without the bags. I'll have the bags on there just when I'm going long distance. I also have the S&S 475 cam in here, the Fuelmoto adjustable push rods, which I think I will be changing eventually to just one-piece push rods. I kept the stock oil pump and the stock cam plate, but I did change the bearing in there. I put in S&S Lifters. Here's a couple revs for you. Again, I have the S&S 475 cam, the Fuelmoto AC/DC air cleaner, and the Powervision DynoJet tuner. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like the video. Ride safe and have a great day.